In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate for free. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own device, whether you are using an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android phone or tablet. To begin, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, or the Google Play Store on your Android device. On iPhone or iPad, look for the blue icon with a white letter A. On Android, find the multicolored triangle Play Store icon. Once you tap it, the store home screen will appear, showing featured apps and a search bar at the top. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the store screen and type in Google Translate. As you type, you may see suggestions appear under the bar. Choose Google Translate from that list if it appears, or finish typing and then tap the search key. After a moment, you should see a list of results with app icons, names, and developers. From there, look carefully at the result named Google Translate and verify the developer is Google LLC. You will usually see the developer name in smaller text right under the app name. This check matters because there are many translation apps with similar names, and you want the official one that connects directly to Google services and keeps getting updates. Once you have confirmed it says Google LLC, tap Get if you are on an iPhone or iPad, or Install if you are on Android. On Apple devices, you may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. On Android, you might see a short pop-up asking for permission to download. After you confirm, the button will change to show a loading circle or a progress bar. After that, wait for the app to download and install. You will see the progress slowly complete, and on some devices the word installing will appear. This can take a few seconds on a fast connection or longer on a slower network, so do not worry if it pauses briefly. When it is finished on iPhone or iPad, the Get button changes to Open, and on Android the Install button changes to Open. With the download done, tap Open. This launches the Google Translate app for the first time. The icon looks like a small blue G over a translation card. When it opens, you may see a brief welcome screen and sometimes a short note about permissions, such as access to your microphone or camera for voice and camera translation. Now that the app is open, choose your preferred languages and start translating. On the main screen, you will see two language selectors at the top, one for the language you are translating from and one for the language you want to translate to. Tap each language name to pick the ones you use most. You can also download languages for offline use from this area, so translations work even without an internet connection, which is very useful when you travel or have a weak signal. You have just downloaded Google Translate for free and taken your first steps toward translating in the languages you need. If this helped you get Google Translate set up, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple app guides.